Welcome to our video, Speak Better, Easy Tips. Are you ready to improve your English speaking skills? Let's go step by step, and don't forget, practice makes perfect. Part 1. Start with simple sentences. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is trying to speak too fast and use difficult words. You don't need to speak fast. You don't need big, hard words. Start small. For example, my name is Sarah. I live in Ankara. I like coffee. Simple is powerful. Speak slowly and clearly. Use short, easy sentences. This builds confidence. Part 2. Speak every day, even if you're alone. You don't need a speaking partner to practice. You can talk to yourself. Really? Try this. In the morning. Today is Thursday. I will go to work. I feel good. At night. Today was a good day. I ate pizza. I watched a movie. Speaking out loud helps your brain and mouth work together. Say the words. Feel the words. Part 3. Use mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Speak. Watch how your lips and face move. This helps with pronunciation and confidence. Try this. I am learning English. I am proud of myself. I can do it. I will not give up. Say it again and again. You will feel stronger each time. Part 4. Learn phrases, not just words. Learning words is good, but learning phrases is better. Instead of learning just book, learn. Can I borrow your book? This book is interesting. Instead of just hungry, learn. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. Are you hungry? Phrases help you speak naturally. Part 5. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing is a powerful method. Here's how it works. Choose a short video or audio in English. Listen to one sentence. Pause and repeat it out loud, just like the speaker. Copy the tone, speed, and rhythm. Try this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. You will sound more natural in a short time. Part 6. Record your voice. Take your phone. Open the voice recorder. Talk for 1 minute. Talk about your day. Talk about your family. Talk about your favorite food. Then, listen to your voice. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just listen and learn. Every week, record yourself again. You will hear your progress. Part 7. Use everyday English. Use English in real life. Don't wait. Try these simple actions. Write your shopping list in English. Read signs, menus, and ads in English. Change your phone's language to English. Watch videos or read stories in English. The more English you use, the faster you improve. Part 8. Be confident. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are good. They help you learn. When babies learn to walk, they fall. When we learn English, we say wrong words. That's normal. Just say, it's okay. I am learning. I will try again. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Part 9. Practice with a friend or a pet. If you have a friend learning English, speak with them. Choose a topic and talk for 5 minutes. If you don't have someone to talk to your cat, your dog, even your plant. Hello, Turgut. How are you today? Cuckoo, do you want some food? It sounds funny, but it works. Part 10. Set a goal and celebrate. Set a speaking goal every week. I will speak 3 minutes every day. I will learn 5 new phrases. I will record myself twice this week. Then, celebrate. When you finish your goal, reward yourself. Eat your favorite snack. Watch a movie. You deserve it. Final words. You can speak English better. You will speak English better. Just follow these easy tips and keep going. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak every day. And most of all, enjoy the process. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I am improving. Every day, I get better and better. Thanks for watching. Now, go speak some English.